Let's talk about user interface in Boxshot. If you open the Boxshot, this window will be pop up. This is a welcome screen. It's very simple. You can see you can simply insert any product, mockup product that is ready, and just you have to change the texture. You can physically open the doors, change the rotation, everything. Box, open the box, your product in disk, anything that you want in a device, interesting, or other thing. We have a lot of asset here. So, for example, we open this. You can see it's very simple, and this viewport is also nice, and you can render after that. User interface is very easy. I will be show you the navigation. And first tab, we have lots of tab here, transformation tool here, and the properties panel here. You can set it to the all. These are shapes or mockup product that you can use. Some of them are the tool, something like that. You can drag and drop it here. If you select objects, you can see the properties of the transformation, material, anything, or decal or transformation information of that. You can see we have tabs here. And from here, you can see the, for example, change the assets, for example, decals, all the materials of them very easily. Just drag and drop on it. That's very easy. You can control the object that in a scene tree. You can change the camera setting here. You can snapshot different position, different material, and then output. Sitting above the background, floor, and the environment. Changing the lighting environment. Use HDR or anything that you want. And also change the properties. We have a lots of tools here for align, distribute, scatter, physics, anything that you want. I will show you one by one. And here is a main tool of that, transformation tool, and finally render. I think it's the demo version. It's restrict, it's restrict rendering quality, but for educational purpose, it's nice. Just if you want, you can purchase this powerful software. Okay, you can see the user interface is very easy.